So, Thomas, we're diving into Launchjacking 2.0 today, and honestly, the title alone, Ultimate Organic Traffic Strategy, just sounds really compelling. What is launchjacking, really, for someone who's never heard of it? Oh man, it's awesome. Think of it as affiliate marketing on steroids, right? Benjamin Hubner, the creator, he stumbled on this back in 2010. Essentially, you're tapping into this massive surge of buyer intent traffic that happens when a new digital product launches. People actively search for reviews, demos, bonuses, and you put your content right there in front of them fast. So it's not like waiting months for SEO or, burning cash on paid ads. You're saying you can get in front of that traffic fast? Exactly. That's the beauty. No list, no paid traffic, no fancy tools. It's all about a timely review, right when people are desperate for info. He saw multiple sales a day, purely organic, and realized, hey, this wasn't a fluke. It's repeatable. It's a time-tested strategy. Okay, so it sounds powerful, but what are the actual pieces, right? How does a launch jacking campaign come together? Is it just throwing up a quick review? Good question. No, it's a deliberate campaign system. Your weapons are content, timing, and affiliate links. First, the right product launch, something about to get flooded. Then, affiliate approval, ideally early access. Your review is your conversion engine, video or blog showing the product, honest pros and cons. That's totally key for trust. So, honest reviews are super important for trust, I guess. And what about the bonuses I keep hearing about? Absolutely. Credibility is huge. And bonuses? Oh, the bonus stack? That's your no-brainer. People compare, so a killer bonus turns casual traffic into loyal subscribers. Wrap it in a review/bridge page funnel. This mini site builds hype, trust, curiosity before sending them to the affiliate link, boosting conversions. So we've got the product, the review, the bonuses, and this bridge page. Where does the traffic actually come from? And how does this turn into an email list like the PDF talks about? Right. Traffic is mostly organic. YouTube, blogs, social media. You're showing up where people are already searching. And the email list? That's your secret weapon, man. You're not just chasing commissions, you're capturing leads. Buyers, freebie seekers, everyone gets an opt-in opportunity. This list becomes your asset, grows your brand, increases authority, sets up your next campaign for more success. It's a marketing engine. Wow, so it's not just a one-off sale. You're building an actual, a long-term asset. And social media too. How does that fit in? Precisely. Social media multiplies everything. Inviting people into a simple community, a Facebook group, let's say, gives you more engagement, personal connection, longer lifetime value, and extra organic traffic. It turns your campaigns into a real brand. It's a living traffic loop. Video links to page, page to opt-in invites to group. Okay, so this isn't just about one video or one blog post. The PDF mentions a traffic flywheel. What does that mean exactly? Oh, this is where it gets really powerful. Most beginners just do one review and hope it works. But to dominate, you need multiple content pieces. Think content web, not a single article. You create a main review video or blog post, right? Then repurpose that into 3 to 5 other formats, short videos for reels, carousel posts, email blasts, even a PDF, and you link everything back to your main review page. So it's about being everywhere and giving people multiple ways to find you. Exactly. You go from invisible to omnipresent in your niche. Each piece targets a slightly different question or angle. Some need the full review, others just the FAQ or a bonus walkthrough. You're catching buyers at every stage. You're multiplying your reach, SEO visibility, trustworthiness. It just keeps building momentum. This sounds like a lot of work, Thomas. How do you scale this system without burning out, especially if you're just starting? That's the cool part. The system gets more powerful every time you use it. You don't reinvent the wheel. You stack your wins, even small ones. Those first few sales, that's proof. That gets you better vendor relationships, easier early access, and builds trust with your audience. Vendors want reliable affiliates. Show your stats, conversion rates, and ask for early access to their next launch. You go from unknown to preferred affiliate, just like that. So it's all about leveraging those relationships and the assets you build over time. Totally. Between launches, don't go quiet. Build your list with evergreen lead magnets, create reusable bonus stacks, nurture your community. You're not just a promoter anymore, you're a brand builder. After a few solid campaigns, you have a growing email list, a recognizable social group, a content library pulling traffic daily, and vendors reaching out to you. It really changes the game, you know? It's a system. Build, ship, refine, repeat.